Hi there, how are you? We are having an iced tea party today. So get ready to churn up refreshing concoctions with tea. Made with regular ingredients, these drinks are rich in antioxidants. Let's begin. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's begin by making the tea. So I have here some boiling water and I'll add in some good quality Assam tea. Let it boil away till the color becomes dark and then just turn off the heat. That's ready. Strain the tea immediately. Keep it aside and let it cool down completely. Maple syrup and golden honey, lime or lemon, freshly powdered cinnamon, ginger, thinly sliced and grated, a bunch of fresh mint leaves, black salt and lots of ice. I'll use a mortar and pestle to crush a few mint leaves. That will help to release their aroma. The first one is a mint, ginger and honey iced tea. Take a jar or a bottle. Add in about 1.5 tablespoons of honey. You may adjust the sweetness according to your taste. 1.5 tablespoons of the ginger syrup. Pour in a cup of the tea. Add in a pinch of black salt. Give it all a quick mix. Add in the crushed mint leaves and let it infuse for at least 15 minutes. Take a tall glass. Add in some mint leaves or a branch into the glass and just drop in a wedge of lime or lemon. Top it with ice. Add in lots of ice. Add in the prepared iced tea. That's one done. Take some orange squash, bit of the maple syrup, the grated ginger, squeeze to extract the fresh juice, a pinch of the cinnamon, add in the tea, about a cup of it, give it a mix and let the cinnamon and the ginger infuse for about 15 minutes. Add in a few pieces of thinly sliced ginger and a few pieces of cinnamon. Lots of ice. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Top it with the tea. Garnish with a few slices of ginger. And that's another one done. The third one is a lemon, mint and honey iced tea. To a cup of tea, add in some bruised or crushed mint leaves. Add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Squeeze of lime. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Give it a mix and let it infuse for about 15 minutes. Take a tall glass, add in some mint leaves or a branch, lots of ice in it. Maybe a few slices of ginger, just for a hint of taste. Top it with the prepared tea. Decorate it with a wedge of lime or lemon. Serve them chilled and party on.